I'm here with Guido, and we are at the Nordschleife, and we have two passes. They were €27 each. Each is good for one lap. And Guido will drive first. We are in his Renault wagon. Renault Laguna wagon. And then we also have Stefan in the back. Yes. So here we are joining the Nordschleife in a 2-liter turbo diesel.
But very, very slowly, because it's very dangerous now.
It is an extremely slick day. So although Guido is a practiced, lifelong ring driver and also a race mechanic for Team WIKISPEED and driver, we will be having a very gentle lap to avoid damaging us or the other vehicles. Yeah, there are many wrecks today on the track. It is very wet. And the S2000 in front of us is probably gonna wreck. Which is very sad for me, having wrecked my own S2000 years ago. So there we are, swiping the card. This white building is where you buy your card, €27 or €100 for 4 laps. And we are speed controlled here. And as soon as we exit these cones, we can then go as speedily as we want out of this little chicane they've made. So from here, you can go as quickly as you desire. You are now racing in a very, very, very wet track. The Eiffel Hills area is absolutely gorgeous. It's early November 2014. As we circle Castle Nurburg.
In front of us is the Grand Prix track.
Yeah, we can see the Grand Prix track just to the side. Absolutely beautiful. I haven't heard the number of wrecks today, but a year ago, when I had a chance to drive, it was in very similar weather, and there were 5 wrecks when I did one single lap. And I went very, very slowly. And still, 5 very expensive machines had very expensive repairs or were end of life. They were damaged badly enough that they were stranded on the track. They had to be gathered by the tow crew. So here we come into this beautiful set of curves.
The car behind us drifts away in the grass.
Just now?
Yeah.
It just went in the grass?
Yes, BMW drifts in the grass.
Oh my goodness. I worry any turn now we will pass that S2000 in the grass. I hope not. I worry. Those Ford Focus ST, feeling brave. I wish them success. this portion of the track is actually very smooth. I mean, there are some bumps, but very smooth. The current iteration of the WIKISPEED car in Germany, as of now, November 2014, has a completely fixed suspension. I'm curious how it would fare or even survive on this track, but it's smooth enough that maybe it is possible. That said, the race mechanics at wikispeed.de are no doubt developing a completely dedicated suspension module package for the Nordschleife.
You have to speak more emotional. Oh, that's very fine. not so. Oh, this is the racetrack and we want to drive with it.
Oh, I know. But if you know your own death is likely, you want to be fully relaxed so that you can react. Yeah, see?
So there are many cars behind us, and I think they want to overtake me. But they can't.
Can't overtake the 2-liter diesel combi. There, now they have a chance. They're doing their best. Luckily,
on the marshals, huh? At the 24 hours race this year, we were marshals here at this point.
and you had a car in the event as well, right? Hector was in the race?
No.
Oh, Hector was not in this year's 24 hours.
This year we were marshals only.
Mm-hmm. It's amazing that this is just like a toll road. You come up, buy your card, and get on it. Oh, yes, yes, success. Didn't hit anything. Perfectly done, Guido.
Geil!
The 360.
Yeah, but perfectly executed, I might add.
Geil, Alter! Respekt, Mann!
So it's very, very slippery, you know.
Ja, du musst hier richtig aufpassen.
Yeah.
Runter.
Yeah.
I'm sure you did that just to show off to us how it can happen.
Du bist schon scheiße in die Kurve reingefahren.
Some cars are losing some oil or water, and then it's very dangerous. I think one will have an accident because the yellow lights are on.
Right. Now, how is that visible? Because I don't see marshals out.
Ultimativ langsam, der Seifen rein. Geil, voll weggedreht, ey.
So, I will go slower than you on my lap. If it was a car I knew so well, even though I'm not an excellent driver, maybe I could feel balanced and even recover if something like this happens. But it will be the first time I'll have driven your Renault, so I will go very gently.
Okay. So I think there will be an accident.
Ja? Nee, die Warnlampen sind nicht an. Doch. Nee, der fährt noch raus.
What does that mean?
I think he had driven too fast or too dangerous, and the marshals take them out.
Oh, wow.
Alter, ob wir jetzt gleich auf YouTube sind, verdammt.
I'm surprised your Navi doesn't call out the turn names. Blauecke Kona.
That is Nurburgring.
Oh, it is. It is in the map though. It says, and it even says Nurburgring. I loved. Oh, go ahead.
This car we have a second car we have in the garage, and it's a BMW E36. We're building it for the Nurburgring.
How many cars altogether is the team working on at present, or has access to?
Now 3.
3. Counting your Polo?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's the BMW Z4.
Not the Polo.
Oh, the Polo is not for the racetrack.
Oh.
Just only for benefits courses and to cruise.
To cruise. Awesome.
And to go out of fuel when it is.
So there's the BMW Z4, the E36, and then are you counting the WIKISPEED car, the chassis number 6? The WIKISPEED car as well?
Auto Nummer 6 ist das.
Just a moment. So now the two WIKISPEED have now 3 cars.
Yes.
The BMW, 2 BMWs, the Polo, and now the WIKISPEED.
Okay, so 4 altogether. 3 are
4.
made for Nordschleife.
Der ist verkauft.
Oh no!
Do you ask me if you need help? Do you need some help?
No, problem with engine.
Okay.
I had to stop because light was.
So
Did you
need
call
a
the-
wrecker?
I will try to go. I will see.
So if you lose oil, it's not good to go faster, huh?
Yeah.
No?
I will go slow in any case.
Yeah, but if you lose oil, you lose oil all about the street.
Yeah, but I don't think I lose oil.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. I will not go if I lose. I will check under.
Yeah.
So-
If you lose oil, please call
Yeah, okay.
the
Yeah.
office. Okay?
I will see and I will see my level. Maybe
I wish you success. I hope it turns out well.
Yeah, I hope so.
Did you
Yeah.
call
It's
the?
new, so
Oh.
just rebuild. So I have to try it. Maybe small thing. Maybe it's nothing.
Hmm.
Did you call the office? Did you call the office to?
Not yet. I stopped 1 minute ago.
Ah,
I just
So-
stopped now.
so do we call the office?
Das ist
You want to
egal.
call?
Yeah.
Maybe you call.
We need to call the
You,
office.
maybe you say.
No, we don't. It's too dangerous to stay here.
Yeah, of course.
So
of course.
I'm the wrecker man here at the Nurburgring,
Yeah.
and I know that it's too dangerous
Of course.
that you stay here.
So maybe
So
I try to go.
therefore we have we have to call at
If
the
I
bureau.
don't have a leak of oil, maybe I go slowly.
Yeah.
If I can, maybe it won't start. I don't know. But call them anyway.
Okay.
I wish you success. I hope it's no problem.
Because oil level is good.
He's probably going to be fine. It seems like he pulled over as a
Did you see
precaution.
oil before? No.
I don't know.
I did not see any blue shine.
There was no smoke on my car. So.
Yeah, I did not see it. I think you're probably going to be fine to carefully drive out.
Ich glaube, da ist schon jemand da.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
I think they'll be great. Coming with the yellow flag. Yeah, they'll be
Bonnie
fine.
Fricke.
Oh, you know her? Bonnie Fricke. You know all the track. Yeah, it sounded like he was being precautionary, you know, that he pulled over.
So this is the old called Stahlstrecke. It goes more than 45 degrees on top on the mountain.
Is it used for anything anymore?
No, just only one time. It closed at 1 year after opening the Nordschleife.
Oh wow.
Because it's so dangerous. Now it's the carousel.
Yes.
Ja, komm runter! Ach, du Muschi.
Ja, komm.
There we are. Yeah, this is where it's bumpy. This is where the fixed suspension, I think, would either be punishing or break. Or both. I'm very interested to reproduce the suspension module that you guys develop for the Nordschleife.
That's the exit from the Stahlstrecke.
That uphill section. So cool. Is it able to be used for special events?
No.
It's not even
It's
not even able
closed
to be used.
forever.
That's so sad.
Yeah.
Not even ring benefits or any of those things.
No, it's closed.
But I mean, we could sneak in, right?
So don't ask Guido about some benefits.
Don't ask him about the ones that use
Yeah.
that section.
This year he wanted to go with his Polo,
Yeah?
and then he was out of fuel.
Oh.
In the middle of the Nordschleife.
I heard about this. I think he mentioned to me. Oh.
No, he's a drifter.
Yeah, they made it. They made it. Good job. I bet they had fun.
Ja, bis da oben in die Kurve.
For
In the ice
he made it for the photographs here.
Oh, it was intentional, you think? Good for them.
Yeah.
In that Toyota GT86.
Half jumps.
And right there is where all the spectators
Yeah.
sit. And thump, we land. Do you ever think about getting fake manufacturer's plates and putting them on the back to have people wonder what Renault is testing? Wow, that is awesomely steep.
Oh, there's no limitation.
So on the PlayStation, this is a straight line.
Ja?
Well, to an excellent driver, it's probably a straight line as well. very slick here. Very slick here. I didn't see a dent. And that one was called the baby carousel? Is that how
Yes.
Yes, a baby. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this part means Galtkopf. It seems like you hang up one people,
Like hanging?
hanging up the people here.
Oh wow.
Nurburgring.
Yes, the castle. Castle Nurburgring, right there. Which we've just done a lap of the castle.
So that's
I'm amazed that you have completed even with a full 360, but no damage. Excellent.
Du bist die Kurve schon scheiße an.
And from here we just rejoin the rest of the public road as if it's normal. And we're on the road.